In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of canceling an order on AliExpress. Whether you've had a change of heart, found a better deal, or simply decided you no longer need an item, knowing how to effectively cancel an order can save you time, money, and hassle. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to the AliExpress website. Fire up your internet browser and type in the website URL. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the vibrant array of products on the homepage. From electronics to clothing, it's a one-stop shop for just about anything. But today we're focusing not on shopping, but on managing orders. Now navigate over to your profile. You'll find your profile icon conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the My Orders option. This takes you to a dedicated section where all your purchase details are comprehensively laid out. It's like your personal control center for everything you've ordered on the platform. Once you're in your order hub, look through the list to find the specific order you're considering canceling. Don't rush through this step. Take a moment to verify the details of the order to ensure you're selecting the correct one. This way, you won't accidentally cancel something you still want. After you've identified the order, click on it to open it up. You'll see a plethora of details related to your purchase, but the key focus here is the option to cancel the order. Keep an eye out for the Cancel Order button. Clicking this indicates your intention to stop this particular transaction. It's important to note here that if the order has already been shipped, this option may no longer be available. Once a parcel is on its way, it moves into a different realm of logistics, making it a tad trickier to halt. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've navigated through the cancellation process on AliExpress. Remember that a prompt cancellation is ideal to avoid complications or shipping of an unwanted item. It's not just about saving money, but time and effort as well. To wrap up, it's always handy to keep an eye on your orders and act quickly if you need to make any changes. Now you can confidently manage your purchases on AliExpress like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping, and remember, it's okay to change your mind.